Welcome to 1 Minute Tips videos from Casablanca Travel Services, your partner in travel since 2017. Today, let's talk about something crucial: traveling with medication. Did you know that carrying your prescription drugs without the right paperwork can lead to serious trouble? In some countries, your perfectly legal medicine could be considered an illegal substance without a Dr. S note or the original prescription. This could mean hefty fines or even legal action. Here's a true story. A traveler was detained for hours because their anxiety medication was in a generic pill organizer, not its original bottle. They had to get their doctor to fax a prescription to the embassy just to be cleared. It was a nightmare. Always keep your medication in its original packaging and carry a copy of your prescription. And a quick question for you: has anyone ever asked you to carry medication for them on an international flight? Let me know in the comments. Travel smart and stay safe.